Did you know your teeth aren't the only ones that make your smile pretty because your lips have something to do with it too? Who doesn't want to have the soft and luscious lips anyway? You might be surprised to know that your lips are actually quite sensitive, and when they become dry, chapped, and even have pigmentation, it can actually tell a lot about your health. Keep in mind that your lips also need the same attention and care that you are giving your skin, which means that you need to keep them hydrated as much as possible to restore their smoothness and softness. That said, there are several remedies that you can make use of to help bring back the natural beauty of your lips. Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will present 5 easy tips on how to keep your lips soft. Number 1. Pomegranate Seeds Mask. Pomegranate on its own is already packing plenty of health benefits. You can make a juice out of it if you like to get those nutrients inside of you. But what about the seeds? Why not make an exfoliator for your lips with them? For this remedy, you will need some crushed pomegranate seeds and cold milk cream. Mix the seeds and the cream until you create a paste. Apply on your clean lips and let it sit for 10 minutes. Wash it off afterwards. Number 2. Aloe vera. If you are looking for a simple remedy to help revive your lips, well, aloe vera is a good remedy that you can take advantage of. The gel trapped in the leaves of the plant can be harvested and applied on the lips and left overnight. Wash it off the following morning. What's great about this remedy is that it can remove any dead skin cells, leaving it soft and smooth. The best part? This is an all-natural remedy, so there won't be any harmful side effects to worry about. Number 3. Cocoa and chocolate. Who would have thought that treating dry and cracked lips can be this sweet? It seems that dark chocolate can be good for our parched skin. For this treatment, you should prepare a teaspoon of cocoa butter, 1 capsule of vitamin E, and 2 squares of dark chocolate, unsweetened. Melt the cocoa butter and chocolate in a double boiler, then add the oil from the vitamin E capsule. Pour in the container and let it cool. Apply afterwards on your lips and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off afterwards using lukewarm water. Number 4. Coconut oil. Another remedy that can help you with your dry and cracked lips is coconut oil. Just apply a small amount on your lips. You can even add 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil in the coconut oil before applying for that extra kick. Wash it off after a few minutes, or you can leave it on until the following day. Number 5. Sugar and olive oil. Exfoliation is necessary from time to time, as the accumulation of dead skin cells can cause your skin to appear dry and dull. The use of lip scrubs can help remove dead skin cells so that the newer ones can appear. The simplest scrub that you can use is sugar and olive or coconut oil, where, aside from removing dead skin, your lips will become nourished too. Mix a tablespoon each of olive oil and brown or white sugar in a small bowl and apply on your clean lips. Scrub gently using circular motions for a few minutes, then wipe it off with a clean cloth. Maintaining soft and beautiful lips is possible by using the steps mentioned above. No matter the time of the year, these steps can help your lips look great. That's 5 easy tips on how to keep your lips soft. If you like watching this video, please share it to your friends.